Welcome to another lesson in our Transformational Leadership series. In this session, we'll explore how transformational leaders address staff issues effectively. We'll look at how to identify common challenges. We will apply transformational approaches to conflict resolution and develop strategies for giving constructive feedback and guidance. Because the way you handle staff issues doesn't just solve problems, it shapes your team's culture and trust. Every team faces challenges: miscommunication, personality clashes, performance dips, and resistance to change. These are all normal parts of working with people. But transformational leaders don't ignore these moments. They see them as opportunities for growth. The first step is recognition. Notice the early signs of tension: missed deadlines, avoidance between coworkers, changes in tone or attitude. When you pay attention to the small things, you can prevent larger issues from developing. Transformational leaders address problems early, not with blame, but with curiosity. They ask, "What's really happening here?" And, "How can I help my team move forward?" Now, let's talk about resolving conflicts the transformational way. Traditional leadership might focus on rules or authority. Transformational leadership focuses on relationships and understanding. When conflict arises, don't jump straight to fixing it. Start by listening. Listen actively. Listen without interrupting. Listen for what's not being said. People want to feel heard before they're willing to change. Next, create a shared vision for resolution. Ask both sides what outcome they want to see. You'll often find that everyone wants the same thing: respect, fairness, and progress. Use empathy as your foundation. Say things like, "I understand this has been frustrating for you." Then pivot toward collaboration. Let's work together on a solution that helps everyone succeed. When you lead with empathy and transparency, you reduce defensiveness and build trust. That's transformational conflict resolution. It's not just about ending the issue. It's about strengthening relationships and creating a culture of open dialogue. Another key skill of transformational leaders is giving feedback that actually inspires change. Feedback should be specific, supportive, and forward-focused. Start with clarity. Don't generalize. Instead of saying, "Your reports aren't great," say, "I noticed some data gaps in the last report. Let's fix it." Always connect feedback to growth. Ask, "How can I help you improve this?" Or, "What resources would make this easier next time?" When feedback feels like guidance, not judgment, people become open to learning. Also, remember to recognize effort and progress. A simple, "I can see how much you've improved on this. Well done," reinforces confidence and motivation. Transformational leaders balance accountability with encouragement. They don't just correct mistakes, they coach performance. They see every challenge as a teaching moment, building a positive, solutions-focused culture. When leaders handle staff issues with empathy and clarity, the whole environment shifts. People feel valued. They communicate more openly. They trust their leader to be fair and supportive. Transformational leadership turns problems into progress. By addressing issues early, resolving conflicts collaboratively, and giving constructive feedback, you set a tone of respect and continuous growth. It's about being present, proactive, and people-focused. They communicate with purpose, and they lead through change with vision and integrity. In the next lesson, we will discuss about building high-performance teams. Thank you.